Hey, what about their YouTube heads? Travel Wolves in the building. So as you can see, today is a special video just for my subscribers, okay? So you guys need to help out and buy the Polo. This is sponsored by the Winner Circle Polo shirt, okay? Get that brand. Today we have a very special guest, and I discovered her through her amazing ice cream video. That's all I'm going to say. You're going to have to figure it out for yourself, but she has an amazing ice cream video out there in cyberspace. Maybe you should talk about it. I don't think she should. I want you guys to really do the hunt and give her her respect because it's an amazing piece of content. But today, let me introduce you to the guest. Her name is Rose, and Rose and I are going to share with you some information about traveling. She's very well traveled. She's been to Bali, France, all amazing places. And get this, guys, she is an authentic Black Russian. Rose, what are some of your favorite travel hacks or tips for saving money while exploring new destinations?
It's absolutely interesting question. I always try to choose where I will stay much before than I will really go, because it's gave me so possibility to choose, to read reviews and to understand what will be better for me and for my pocket.
Okay, so you
Yeah.
use reviews.
Yes,
Okay,
I always
okay.
use reviews when
Okay.
I want to stay somewhere. And I can, for example, every day watching hotels, guest houses in a place where I will go,
Okay.
and or in places
Okay.
where I will go, because it's kind of my hobby. I'm feeling that I rest when I doing that.
Okay. What site do you use? Airbnb,
Oh,
Booking.com?
yes. I don't use Airbnb because right now not useful for me,
Mhm.
but I use Agada if it's about Asia,
Okay.
because Agada have best prices for Asia hotels, for Asia
Okay.
guest houses.
Okay.
Yes, and I use Booking if I wanna read a lot of review, because on Booking I can read review in different languages and from travelers from different countries.
Okay.
Yeah, and also I read even review on Google Maps,
Oh,
Sometimes I do
okay.
even that. Yeah. What do you think am I doing here? Teasing you? Yes, I do. I teasing you about new podcast, which will be on YouTube channel Travel Wolf. Watch and enjoy.